Hey, are we going yet? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? It says it's starting. Hey, Henry McClure live. How are you? So, hey, if you're looking for it'd be a good place. Uh, let's say you wanted to get your mowers out of your garage because you run a landscaping business, and you need to have a little office to go hide from your wife, and it's it would be great. It's down by Terry's Bar and Grill behind the liquor store, and you know who I'm talking to. And so it's got a bathroom, and we're getting it all cleaned out. Um, Whoever that guy was, he was a huge fella. Which is hey, the other broker knew the guy. So hey, how you doing? It's a beautiful day. I've been out and I got to do some paperwork. Here, let's go this way. Get the. This is Henry McClure. I'm America's broker. Did you know that? Self-appointed. So look, if you're like a contractor or you need some storage, you got. What if you had like a couple of like vintage cars and you wanted a place to work on them? Uh, like, I'm thinking man cave. Or what if you're a beautiful woman that wants to sculpt and work in clay, or whatever. A closed mouth gathers no feet. Man, I got a call. Hey, Mike Siegel, if you're watching this, I got a call from a lady in New York, and yes, we'll be spreading out the artwork. So we got that going. I got that going for me. So I'm looking forward to seeing my cousin tomorrow. He wants to go he wants to go, of all places, he wants to go to Bobo's. Bobo. So, okay, we'll go to Bobo's. I like Richard Marsh. He's a good guy, good family man. Um, Family business. I don't know. How y'all doing? I've had a good day, rocking and rolling. Went up north to look at a project with a buddy. I'm here in the Glass Houses studio. I think I'm going to try to get some paperwork done. You can't see my desk on purpose because there's top secret information here. Oh, it was so nice to talk to Joan Wagnon today. She made some time for me. Talking about being mayor in this community. That lady knows a lot about politics. She did admit when she started some of the stuff she did, she said, I never intended for the chamber to run the city or all the NGOs. But I love it when you can admit you made a mistake. Look, I need that information. I want to see the information on the lease for the AT&T building.